Now we are trying to find Playa Cabuyal. Use Waze here in Costa Rica because people update it more frequently than Google Maps. I just got in a blocked road to Playa Cabuyal. So use Waze, then you can get the right road to get where you want. Look how pretty, guys. It's worth the while, worth the drive. Wow, we're going down there. There's a huge valley down there. Amazing. Wow. Let's go. Look, guys, you cross areas with tiny creeks or rivers, and then sometimes you have even a restaurant there. It's less commercial for sure, but I believe it will be pretty. And the cars are parking here, and the beach is right there. It seems to be boring. So we are arriving here. Definitely more waves. The sand is kind of white. And they have rip currents. It's gorgeous. I'm loving every piece of Costa Rica. More puppies. Take a look, guys. How pretty is Cabuyal. It is amazing. So cool, guys. So cool. You have like areas with the shade, and you have little places where you can basically stay and enjoy. You definitely can have like some surfing here, and you have natural areas where you can literally stay. And there are little crabs here. We need to be careful to not hurt them. You see, walking. Oh, that one is camera shy. Come on, buddy. So many of them all over. This is astonishing, gorgeous. Nature is great. Just love it. So literally, you have your friends here. They get big. These ones are small. I want to leave them in peace. I hope I showed you properly, right? Start moving. And you have your own small retreat here with all that beauty. Then you stay here. So that's our temporary house. So that's it. You have your little piece of paradise. Place it with your neck, and then this view. Take a look there. So guys, now we're gonna just chill, relax, have a booze in our little refugee here, and that's what we have right in front of us. How amazing is Costa Rica? How crazy is that, guys? Rainbow right there. They're so cute. That's the style here, guys. So that's how it goes. We're laying down here, and